Hi guys, welcome to the Magical Arts with Ananya. So today we are going to learn how to draw a bird in few steps. So are you ready? It's very easy. Let's start. First you will draw a heart, then let's make the tail of the bird with a V shape. See, it's very easy, right? Then we'll draw the face of the bird with the inverted U, and let's make eyes, beak and decorate the bird. See, so simple. Now, where is the bird sitting? On the branch of the tree. So, let's quickly draw the branch of the tree. Let's add leaves so that it looks like the branch of the tree. So, quickly think of a name for the bird, and what color are we going to do? We should color it with bright colors so that it looks attractive, right? So, quickly color your bird by drawing in some few and simple steps. And what you need to do? You need to like, share and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya for more such content. Every week I come out with some new content, so you need to keep a tab on my page so that you don't miss the latest videos.